This is the TP-Link Deco AX3000, which is one of the best-selling home mesh Wi-Fi systems for good reason. With its Wi-Fi 6 speed of up to 3,000 megabytes per second and coverage of up to 4,500 square feet, it's easy to see why it's so popular. But after trying it out for a while now, there are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying. So I'm going to tell you everything you'll need to know about the TP-Link Deco AX3000 and how it compares to other Wi-Fi systems. Inside the box, we have two Deco AX3000 units, an Ethernet cable, two power adapters, and a quick start guide. To set up the system, first connect the Deco AX3000 to your cable modem, download the Deco app, and follow the in-app instructions to configure your system. Make sure your phone is close to the Deco when doing the setup. A flashing blue light means the Deco is ready for setup. A green light means it's all connected and ready to go. When it comes to speed, coverage, and reliability, I think the TP-Link Deco AX3000 is really good. It uses Wi-Fi 6 technology, so that means you're getting improved speeds and efficiency. The Deco AX3000 provides speeds of up to 3,000 megabytes per second, which is split into 2,402 megabytes per second on the 5 GHz band and 574 megabytes per second on the 2.4 GHz band. Everything runs smoothly, which is impressive considering how many devices I had connected at the time. In fact, the AX3000 allows connection for up to 150 devices. Coverage is another big plus. This 2-pack covers up to 4,500 square feet, and there is also a 3-pack option to cover up to 7,000 square feet. Thanks to the mesh technology. It uses a series of interconnected nodes instead of one central access point like a traditional Wi-Fi router. It basically eliminates those annoying dead zones so you can walk from room to room during a video call or while streaming music without losing the connection. And it's cool that the AI-driven mesh technology improves itself from experience by learning your network environment, connected devices, and user behaviors. Each unit has 3 Gigabit Ethernet ports, and the units themselves are quite compact at 4.5 inches high. The style is streamlined and sleek, so they easily fit in anywhere. Plus, the Deco AX3000 is compatible with Alexa for voice control. Advanced features are available with TP-Link's Home Shield. That's an optional subscription service that includes a home network scanner to detect potential security issues, a quality feature that lets you assign favorite devices the fastest connection, and also parental controls. Overall, the TP-Link Deco AX3000 is a fantastic and powerful home mesh Wi-Fi system. Its Wi-Fi 6 means speedy connections of up to 3,000 megabytes per second, and the two units cover up to 4,500 square feet with reliable connection. They're great looking too, and there is an option to upgrade security features through the Home Shield subscription.